In this week's episode, we will attempt to answer the top 10 technical support questions asked by you, the viewers. I have a list of the top 10 most asked questions. Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Question number 1. Is it normal for the pump to run continuously even when there is no demand for central heating or hot water on the Baxi 600 Mark I range?
Our ERP pumps have two cables to them, a power cable and a PWM cable. If the PWM cable is unplugged from the pump, it will run continuously. You need to ensure it's plugged fully into the pump and the PCB.
Question number 2. I've just changed the PCB on the Baxi 600 Mark I range. Previously there was no display at all, and now I have half a display flashing. Have I done something wrong?
Some of our PCBs contain an RDS chip. This needs to be removed from the old PCB and put on the new PCB. If you don't do this, you will see half a display.
Question number 3. On the Baxi 600 heat-only range, what is the best way to clean the aluminium heat exchanger?
The best way to clean the alley heat exchanger is to remove the burner and gasket from the top. Then use a suitable vacuum cleaner to clean the heat exchanger from the top.
Question number 4. I recently fitted the Baxi 800 Combi 2 range. My customer has since phoned me to say there is a fault code of E0410. What's the problem?
For E410, you should check the working pressure of the appliance. Check the electrode lead and all earth leads are fully pushed onto the PCB and electrode. Also check the condensate bung has been removed.
Question number 5. I have recently fitted the in-flue outdoor sensor, also known as the IFOS, on the new Baxi 800 Combi 2 range. I did this to comply with the Boiler Plus regulations. Are there any parameters that I need to change, or will it simply just work?
When fitting the IFOS, you'll need to change CP210 and CP230 in the installer parameters.
Question number 6. I've recently been working on the old Baxi Duotech. My customer reports that some of the radiators are working and some of them aren't. I've changed the diverter valve motor and also the diverter valve. Is there anything that I'm missing?
On the old range of Duotech boilers, there was a gauze filter in the return isolation valve. You need to check this filter is fully clear, otherwise central heating will not circulate correctly.
Question number 7. I have just changed the domestic hot water sensor on the old Baxi Duotech range, but the error message of E20 is still being displayed and I can't reset the boiler. Any ideas?
The E20 and the E50 error codes on the old Duotech are both thermistor faults. E20 is for the central heating thermistor, E50 is for the domestic hot water thermistor. You have changed the wrong thermistor.
Question number 8. On the Baxi 800 Mark I range, the boiler is recognising a demand. However, it will not fire up. Is it the PCB or is there something else that I could check?
On the old 800 Combi range, if the boiler is recognising a demand and it's not firing up, something must be blocking it. Check the domestic hot water thermistor for resistance. You should be getting about 12 kiloohms at room temperature.
Question number 9. On the Baxi 105 range, what does it mean when the 30 and the 50 lights flash at the same time?
If you get the 30 and 50 lights that are flashing at the same time, you're going to need to check a few things. You need to check the air pressure switch is resting between common and normally closed. If this is okay, you then need to check is the PCB sending power to the fan. If it's not, it's potentially the PCB has failed.
And this, Will, is your final question. Question number 10. I've recently fitted a gas valve on the Potterton Pro Max Ultra range. It fires up for a little bit and then it goes off. Is there anything else I need to do to the gas valve?
On this boiler, the gas valve is self-calibrating. This means when changing the gas valve or any other component that's going to affect combustion, you're going to need to recalibrate the gas valve. For more details on this, please visit this Training Tuesday video.
Will, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
We hope you found this video useful. If you need more information, please contact your local area sales manager or visit our website at www.baxi.co.uk/training.